Hi, this is Electric Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 Volkswagen Caddy, stock number 6906. It's ran from the 7th 2015 to the 2nd 2021. Has a CZCB 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CZCB 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory mega tyre, front bonnet, no dents, left front door mirror, left front and left rear door, no dents, left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, left hand taillight, right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, right front door, no dents, right hand door mirror, right front headlight, right front 16-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spot leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,